going on, guys? In this quick video, we're going to be going through the installation process for this full twist throttle onto the Ridstar Q20. First, we're going to start off by taking each bolt out of these. Once you have those covers taken off, you're gonna come under here and take off these 10mm bolts and do that in the front. There should be 6 of them on the seat, 2 of them back here, 2 in the middle, and then 2 at the front. Once you're done taking those bolts off, you can now take the seat off. The controller I have, if you see the styrofoam, I just have it kind of wedged in here because when I first got the bike, the controller used to rattle in here. You're gonna get the end of the throttle cable and pull it up through this hole right here so it can align with the rest of the cables coming out. Pull it all the way through, well, not all the way, pull it about a quarter of the way through, and then you can manage what you're gonna do with the rest of it. You're then gonna come down here, and for me it's this green, red, and black wire along with the yellow and white for the key. You're gonna unplug these, of course, this is for the original throttle. What I'm gonna do, because I don't feel like taking off all this wiring covering right here quite yet until the summer, I'm just gonna cut the wire coming from the throttle, and then for the new one, which I come from back here, I'm gonna zip tie it to the rest of these and zip tie it to the side, and then I'll redo the throttle cables this summer. I have no idea if it's the green, black, and red wire along with the yellow and white for you. I don't know if it's different on each bike, but if you got a Ridstar and you're putting on a new throttle and you do this as well, comment down below if it's the same. Just curious. All right, I just unplugged these two, and now I'm gonna take the end of these cables right here and plug them in to these two right there. All right, I now have those 2 wires connected. Now I'm just gonna test it. I'm gonna put the battery in and put the key in there, and then we're gonna see if it works. All right, we're gonna turn the battery on. We're gonna come down here, get one of the 2 keys that comes with the throttle. Come down here, twist it. We got lights, must have did something right. Now to make sure the display works, we're gonna come over here, press the little arrow to turn it on. Perfect. So I never really knew what came up on the screen, so it looks like it's the battery life. It shows full right now. We'll have to test that out. I'll let y'all know as we test the new throttle out later on. Now I'm going to take off this red grip. All I have to do is get a small Allen key, unloosen this, and then take it off. It comes off real easy. You just slide it out. Just like that. It's already loose. I'm going to pull on it, slide it off. If you guys are wondering where I got any of my mods, I have a full mods list in my bio. You can go on there. It's a link tree. It shows all the links and has all the links for all of the mods on this Ridstar. I'll add the full twist throttle. Although I got it from Ridstar RNG, which is his other YouTube channel, and he has a shop link, so I don't know, he may be out of stock, but go check it out. There's definitely other options beside this. Now to take off the old throttle, there's a little Allen screw in there. You get a little Allen key and unscrew it, and it'll come loose and pull it right off, just like we did the grips. All right, I have the old twist throttle. I have it loosened up, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the wire for it. Just like that, the wire is now cut between the 2. And now the throttle will slide right off. I have the throttle in place up here, and now I'm just gonna go through with the throttle wire, and I'm gonna zip tie it to the rest of here, and zip tie it to this cable right here, all the way up with these zip ties. Guys, sorry to interrupt the video, but we got a problem here. My man, D1 Ridstar, has recently had to restart his new channel after his old one with over 700 subscribers. He was unfairly banned. But heck, he creates fantastic Ridstar content just like me. And he needs your support. Let's get him growing back. He has a beautiful Ridstar purple and black build. He can wheelie about 10 times better than me. So head over to his new channel, subscribe, and show him the love. Let's get his community back going, and let's get him to 500 subscribers. Let's go. Alright, we now have the wires all zip tied to the rest of the bunch. And the excess wire comes back here, but it really fits perfectly. It's the same length as the old one. And I have it following under here. And as you can see, the new white zip ties to hold it down. Now I'm gonna come back here and tighten this up. There's a little Allen key in the back of it right there. I just put this right in there and tighten it up. And then of course you can angle it however you want it. I like it just like that. We have it on there all nice and tight. It's looking great. That's the angle I have it at. Everything's wired up. Now everything that I did at the beginning to take the seat and the side panels off right here, I'm going to do to put back on. And thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped, because I know there's not a whole lot of this on YouTube. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. And thank you again, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content.